Yo, what's up? Today we are in Disneyland Shanghai and I will share with you the top 5 things that you must do when you are visiting. Come, let's go! That is what we are gonna do. The TRON ride. Let's go! But before that, a word from today's sponsor, iFLYTTEK. The new smart translator uses artificial intelligence to provide users face-to-face translation of up to 60 languages, 18 of which can be done offline without internet. Just like this. Will it be cold today? Will it rain?
今天会冷吗？会下雨吗？请注意红灯即将变绿。
今天会冷，但不会下雨。
It will be cold today, but it won't rain.
The huge touchscreen makes the user experience super intuitive. Simply tap to start translating to your desired language. Is there a nice place where I can eat hot dumpling?
好的，有没有可以吃热腾腾的饺子的好地方
Beyond voice translation, with iFLYTTEK's OCR technology, the smart translator can do camera translation of up to 50 languages too.
Representative of the ancient nuclear.
Talk about conquering language barriers globally. In addition to that, this entire segment has been transcribed using iFLYTTEK's Smart Recorder Pro. It can easily transcribe speech to text, which supports 8 languages. For more details, check out the link in the description. Now, back to the video. As you can see, it's been a very wet day, but that's not gonna dampen our spirit. Alright, let's start on the 5 things that you need to do in Disneyland. First things first, head to a food cart and buy some food so that you can get fueled up as you queue for those rides. The first ride that I would highly recommend is the 7 Dwarfs Mine Train. Great outdoor ride for all ages. Throughout the 90 seconds, expect to race on the mine train around the diamond mine from Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. Perfect way to get the adrenaline pumping to kickstart the day at Disneyland. Next up is a ride that truly surprised me. With the wind in your face and treetops and rooftops wheezing beneath you, soaring over the horizon is literally an uplifting experience. Summoning ancient primal powers, you will ascend on a magical journey for a breathtaking view of the planet, featuring several iconic landmarks of Earth. Enjoy spectacular views from the sky in this 4-dimensional ride. This is a ride that I would highly recommend. Fourth on the agenda is jetpacks. Hold tight as you take off into a rapid series of hair-raising revolutions with handheld controls that help regulate the height. Of course, we went as high as we could throughout the ride. This centrally spinning sphere levitates riders several stories off the ground for a one-of-a-kind Rocketeer experience you won't want to miss. And of course, saving the best for last, the finale, TRON. Step into the realm of TRON where you'll be transported to the multiverse. Expect adrenaline-pumping music, laser lights, 3D graphics as you traverse TRON's electrifying, multi-sensory environment as you speed, deep and dive through the grid on one of the fastest indoor roller coaster in Disney theme park history. From the moment we hopped on the light cycle in the forward riding position, I knew this was going to be a one-of-a-kind ride. This has gotta be the most exhilarating ride at Disneyland. So much so, we actually set the ride twice. was the best ride
So
today?
good that we said five.
2 times.
Yeah.
2 times. Best ride of the day. TRON.
创界.
You gotta do it. You gotta do it. And that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this small little tour of Shanghai Disneyland. Until then, see you guys in the next one. Yo!